Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a super fun and beginner-friendly project, a quick crochet chicken coaster. I really hope you find this video helpful and easy to follow along. For this coaster pattern, you can use any color combination you like, and you can make it in any size that fits your needs. You can even make it bigger and turn it into a placemat if you'd like. The coaster we'll be making is about 4 inches in diameter. I'll be using Himalaya Himagurumi cotton yarns for this project. I'll be using a 2.20mm crochet hook for these coasters. If you'd like to support the channel, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started with the pattern. We'll start making the coaster by creating a magic ring. Chain 3. Then, work 1 double crochet right into the center of the magic ring. Keep crocheting double crochets into the magic ring until you have a total of 15 double crochets, counting that initial chain 3 as a stitch. After making 15 double crochets, tighten the magic ring and slip stitch to the top of the first chain to complete the round. Chain 3 and make a double crochet into the top of the stitch where you made the slip stitch. Make 2 double crochets into the top of the next stitch. Make 2 double crochets into the top of the next stitch. Make 2 double crochets into the top of each of the 15 double crochets from the previous round, giving you a total of 30 double crochets. When you reach the end of the round, slip stitch to the top of the first chain to complete the round. Chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the top of the stitch where you made the slip stitch. Make 1 double crochet into the top of the next stitch. Make 2 double crochets into the top of the next stitch. Make 1 double crochet into the top of the next stitch. Continue to the end of the round, making 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, creating a total of 45 double crochets in the third round. After making 1 double crochet into the top of the last stitch, slip stitch to the top of the first chain to complete the round. Chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the top of the stitch where you made the slip stitch. Make 2 double crochets into the top of the next 2 stitches. Make 2 double crochets into the top of the next stitch. Make 2 double crochet into the top of the next 2 stitches. Make 2 double crochets into the top of the next stitch. Continue this sequence around. 2 double crochets in one stitch, then 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. You will make a total of 56 double crochets. You should have 3 stitches remaining at the end of the round. At the end of the round, 3 stitches remain, and I've made a total of 56 double crochets. After the last 2 double crochets, make 2 single crochets to finish the round. Chain 3 and turn your work. Starting from the top of the second stitch, make 2 double crochets. Including the starting chain, we have now made a total of 3 double crochets. Make 2 double crochets into the top of the next stitch. Make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Make 2 double crochets into the top of the next stitch. Make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Continue in this way to the end of the round, making 3 double crochets, then 2 double crochet into the next stitch, creating a total of 69 double crochets. I'm nearing the end of the round, and I've made a total of 65 double crochets from the beginning of the round. And lastly, I made 2 double crochets into the same stitch. When you reach the end of the round, instead of 3 double crochets, make 4 double crochets, resulting in a total of 69 double crochets. And here, complete the round by making the last double crochet into the top of the chain. Chain 1 and turn the work. Make 6 double crochets into the top of the third stitch. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet. Skip 2 stitches and make 6 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet. Skip 2 stitches and make 6 double crochets. Continue in this way until the end of the round, creating a total of 10 double crochet groups. From the beginning of the round, I've created 10 double crochet groups. Skip 2 stitches and make 5 single crochets. Skip 2 stitches and into the same space, make a total of 10 triple crochets for the chicken's head. After making 10 triple crochets, slip stitch to the top of the chain at the end of the round. Chain 1, then cut the yarn. Weave in the ends as much as possible between the stitches on the back. We have now completed the body of the chicken that forms the coaster. Remember, sharing is caring. Forward this video to your crochet buddies and spread the joy of crafting together. Now, we'll use yellow and red yarn to make the beak and the comb on top of the head. Now, we'll make the first part of the comb with red yarn. Join your red yarn with a slip stitch to the top of the first of those 5 single crochet stitches. Skip 1 stitch and make 4 double crochets into the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch. Make a slip stitch. Chain 1, then cut the yarn here. Join your yellow yarn with a slip stitch to the top of the first of the 10 treble crochets that form the chicken's head. 3 chains. First, let's make 2 half double crochets side by side. Close all the loops on the hook together. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the top of the next triple crochet. Chain 1, then cut the yarn and weave in the ends between the stitches on the back. Now, we'll work on the upper comb again with red yarn. We've made it halfway there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun tutorials. Fasten the yarn into the space where we made the slip stitch with the yellow yarn. Chain 3. Make a double crochet into the same space. Chain 3 again, and then slip stitch back into the same space to create a little point. Single crochet into the top of the next stitch. Slip stitch into the top of the next stitch. Chain 3. Make a double crochet into the same space. Chain 3 and slip stitch. Single crochet into the top of the next stitch and slip stitch into the top of the next stitch. We will repeat the steps we just did. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Weave in all the ends between the stitches on the back to clean them up. While you're here, why not leave a comment below? I'd love to hear what you think. I'll use a movable eye. I'll attach it here with cold silicone adhesive. Almost done. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. And with that, we've completed all the steps for making the coaster. That's everything I wanted to share in this video. I hope you found it helpful. Can't wait to see you in the next tutorial. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and pass it along to your crafty friends. Bye for now. Happy crocheting, and goodbye for now.